everyone, this is Jen Davis with MAPS Coaching, here with your coaching tip of the week. I want to talk to you about being a buyer's agent. And when we're a buyer's agent, we want to make sure that we host a successful strategy session. Here are those 3 steps. Number 1, we want to be prepared with hyper-local data. Our clients count on us to be the local economist of choice. Number 2, we want to set expectations. We're going to set expectations on what's going on in the market, what to expect when we get to showings, and how we're going to proceed with negotiations. Just remember that the perfect offer starts in the strategy session. And number 3, we want to forward pace our buyers. At the end of every strategy session, one of 2 things is going to happen. Either the buyer is going to sign buyer agency agreement documents with us, or we're going to set the follow-up appointment. So just remember, every time you leave an appointment, we either are setting the next appointment or signing documents.